Plumbers are busy people. They spend their days fixing pipes, unclogging drains, and making sure their clients are happy. But in today's digital age, having a strong online presence is just as important as having plumbing skills. For many plumbers, managing their online presence is just too time-consuming. Between fixing pipes and serving clients, there just isn't enough time in the day. But what if we told you there was a solution? A solution that would not only take all the work of managing your online presence off your hands, but also increase your revenue in the process. Introducing SEO for Plumber, the service that will revolutionize the way you manage your online presence. Our team of experts will take care of everything from website optimization to online advertising, so you can focus on what's most important, gaining happy clients. Say goodbye to the frustration of managing your online presence. With SEO for Plumber, you'll have more time to focus on what you do best while we take care of the rest. Our proven strategies will not only improve your online visibility, but also attract more customers and increase your revenue. So what are you waiting for? Join the growing list of satisfied plumbers and give SEO for Plumber a try today. With SEO for Plumber, you'll have more time to focus on your craft and deliver exceptional service to your clients. You'll also have the peace of mind that comes with knowing your online presence is in good hands. So why wait? Let us help you grow your business and become a master plumber today. Still unsure if we are right for you? Just listen to what our clients have to say.
Hey there, I'm Chris, the go-to plumber in our town. SEO for Plumber took my website to new heights, and now I'm ranking #1 for plumbing in my area.
I found SEO for Plumber, and they helped me increase my online visibility and brought in more customers.
When I initially learned about SEO for Plumber, I wasn't convinced, but I chose to give it a try, and I'm so pleased I did. After 4 months of working with SEO for Plumber, my website started to rank at the top of Google search results, and I've been getting a constant stream of new clients every single day.
And before I discovered SEO for Plumber, my online visibility was limited, and I struggled to attract new customers. But with their expert optimization of my website, I quickly rose to the top of the Google search results for my local area.
Well, I actually need help from SEO Plumber, and honestly, they got me to the top spot. I never thought that would be possible. Took quite a lot of work, something like 6 months. Now I have so many amazing customers, and honestly, I'm getting great leads every day because of them.
Their optimization tactics, as well as their commitment to their clientele, have made all the difference.
SEO for Plumber optimized my website and helped me become the top ranked plumber in my area. I now have more customers than I can handle.
You know, before I found SEO for Plumber, my website was nowhere to be found on Google, and I was struggling to get new customers. But I must say, that's all changed once I started working with SEO for Plumber.
I can't thank SEO for Plumber enough for everything that they've done for my company.
If you're looking for someone who's the real deal, who'll get you results faster than you can say, no way, mate, then you have to take a look at SEO for Plumber. Absolutely amazing what they've done.
I highly recommend them to any business owners that are looking to boost their online presence.
I strongly advise any business owner trying to boost their web presence to hire SEO for Plumber.
I highly recommend them to any business owner looking to improve their online presence.
I highly recommend SEO for Plumber to any plumber looking to grow their business. Thank you, SEO for Plumber.
Thank you guys, and keep up the good work. Cheers.
If you want to join our list of happy clients, just fill in the information at www.seoforplumber.com and receive an instant SEO report delivered to your email address. Then choose a time to jump on a call with us so we can find the best SEO plan for your business. Thanks for watching SEO for Plumber, your partner in online success.